Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. So today we are going to be doing a reading on what is the karma for hurting you. Okay, so guys, if somebody has hurt you very deeply and you are like what will happen to them because they have hurt me so deeply, guys, usually I don't do these readings because they are very low vibe, but I thought why not, to give you all some peace. Okay, just to give some peace to your soul. This will make you feel good, this will make you feel relaxed, the burning sensation in your heart will reduce, and maybe then y'all will be able to move on from this current situation. So guys, there are three piles. Take your time, you could choose one, more than one, whatever gives you satisfaction, and if it resonates, do let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, so this is the pink candy cane. Okay, the pile 1, the red one, the pile 2, and the gold one, the pile 3. So you all pause the video, take your time, think about the person and see whichever pile calls to you the most. Until then, I'll be starting with the pink pile. Okay guys, I'll be starting with this pink pile. So let's see guys, we all have chosen the pink okay one. What karma is going to catch them? Okay, I see that you had a love connection with this person and this person has broken your heart miserably. Okay, you were planning for that they should propose you, they should get married to you, and this was a soul connection. Okay, you felt this was a very loving connection, you knew them from a past life or something like that, you were waiting for them action, and they hurt your they hurt you so really badly by showing you that they cared for you, and then they walked away suddenly, and what I see over here is you were quite a self-loving person, you were quite bright, you used to shine your light brightly, and you were a very positive person, and for hurting you so deeply, their karma is going to be that they are going to face financial constraints. Yes, it's going to affect their finances, and it is going to affect them really badly. Okay, they might have to face poverty, maybe something bad for hurting you so deeply. Okay, and if they have hurt you, pile pink is going to affect their finances. Okay, and it's going to make them suffer over there. Okay, so if you were planning to get married to them, or if you wanted them to propose you to marry you, guys, I hope this will give you some peace and satisfaction. Okay guys, let's see if you chose the red candy cane. What's the karma, their karma for hurting you? Deceit. I see you got a deceit over here. They cheated on you maybe. Okay, and you walked away, and now you are wondering what will happen to them. Hostilities. Okay, if they cheated on you, and they gave you tower moments and you had to walk away from them. Okay, just a minute guys. See guys, you were an angel of love to them, you really loved them deeply, you really cared for them, you really wanted them in your life, and they did not give you the same amount of love. Okay, and they did not so I see a lot of tower moments coming in their life, I see a lot of cheating happening, I see them being targeted, okay, for what they have done to you. I also see them being hostile, everybody just leaving them alone in a place where they always feel like everybody's going to be cheating them, and they'll all never be able to believe anybody, and the sword will always be up, and they'll always have to guard themselves. It's an end of their happiness, their love and relationships, if they have cheated you so badly with someone else. Okay, I see this cheating being physically intimate also. So this has given you a lot of pain. Your heart has been closed off for people. You don't believe people now, but don't worry guys, nobody will be able to believe them as well. So this is what I have for you guys, if you'll choose the red candy cane. And let's move on guys to the gold one. Okay, So if you all have chosen the gold candy kind, what is their karma for hurting you? Okay. Community issues. Okay, self-worth issues, fears regarding people. That's what I get over here for them. They won't have the strength, okay, to be with someone anymore. You know, they might also get someone who might, they will always be looking for adjacent possibilities, but they will not get a person as loving and caring as you are. Okay, I know your intuitive powers are quite high, and I also see that you are your seventh chakra is activated, so you might be getting downloads. You are a person of meditation, so guys, don't need to worry about it. Angels are always with you. Okay, you will get a better option. You will get, and all they will be facing is illusions. They will trust someone, that this person is worth being with me, and in the end that person will turn up, like this, quite practical minded, and quite for their money, all gold diggers coming on to them. So they will always be, for the entire life, this lifetime, waiting for the right person who has already left their life. Okay, so this is what I see. You enjoying with your friends and family, you getting a nice family in future, you being able to move on, but them being stuck on this situation forever. Okay guys, so I hope you liked the reading. Do like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel, the Hierophant 1111, and do not forget to press the bell icons, guys, so that you do not miss any video from me in the future. Bye.